Hi, let me show you a beverage fridge from Royal Catering. A device perfect for restaurants, bars, cafes and any other place that will serve drinks and you want them chilled. So let me just go through all the technical details and what it has and what it does. Well, first of all, this particular model has 208 litre capacity and it works with 175 watt engine, so it is quite efficient. The housing is made of stainless steel with a special powder coating with a really nice black finish to it, so it really presents itself rather well. The doors are two sheets of tempered glass with space inside, so they're really nicely isolated. They keep the temperature inside really well. They have this automatic closing system, so when you release the door, it will close by itself. Of course, it is nicely sealed to keep the temperature inside. Inside of the fridge, let's have a look. You have two shelves with four trays, let's call them, with adjustable height on each side. So you can do different levels on each side. It all depends on the size of your bottles, of course. Each grill is nicely chromed. The fridge is lined with aluminium inside. And there are two fans working to circulate the air so the temperature is even on all three levels. Of course, there's also a light, and that brings me down to controls. So the controls and the display is covered by a special plastic cover, just like that. You pop it up, and there's four buttons which you can use to set up the temperature. The temperature you can set between 2 and 10 degrees. And you do so by just pressing the set button. Just hold it for a couple of seconds. When you see SE, which stands for set, you just confirm it, and then you can lower or higher the temperature. All right, so let's set it for 2 degrees. Press set one more time, the bottom, just to confirm it. And the display will show you the actual temperature inside, the current temperature. And you'll see it dropping really quickly, down to 2 degrees. Of course, you can turn on the light on and off. So after service, there's no need for the light. You can just turn it off during service in order to see what's inside. And of course, for the beverages to stand out for your guests to see, you can just turn it on, and there you go, the light is on. Of course, you can use the reset button. That brings all the settings down to default settings. And you can use this button to defrost the fridge when it's time for cleaning. And talking about the cleaning, please do not use any abrasive or corrosive detergents, any scouring agents, anything, because you may damage the lining inside. Just use soapy water. Just make sure you dry it out properly afterwards with some paper towels or a cloth. Once in a while, it is good to sanitize the fridge with some disinfectant spray. Just spray it down in order to get rid of all the bacteria that may build up during service. One more advice: when you set the heights for your shelves, what I personally do, I always use zip ties to secure it in place. That's especially important when you have alcohol inside. Well, everything costs money, right? And there's a lot of service stuff. Having contact with it, so using the fridge, taking drinks in and out, that may sometimes cause accidents. In order to prevent that, I always use zip ties, so I secure the shelves wherever I need them. For cleaning, of course, I cut the ties, take the shelves out for cleaning purposes, and when I put them back on, I put the zip ties back on as well, just in order to secure the shelves in place. Talking about security, very cool feature is the fact that the doors are lockable. There's a lock on the side of the door, which will lock both sliding doors at the same time. In the set, you are getting two keys, so one key and a spare, just in case, so you can lock it down after service, right? Also, inside of the package, you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read. There's a lot of really useful information, technical data, information about cleaning, maintaining, transporting, and so on. So definitely worth having a read, at least once. With each fridge comes a 3-year warranty. That's pretty cool. That speaks for itself. Normally, kitchen equipment comes with a 24 months warranty. Having 3 years is a really cool feature. So if you found this informative and useful, just leave me a comment in the comments section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.